Ready to turn your One4All gift card into the latest PlayStation game? Let's dive right in. First, power on your PlayStation console and navigate to the PlayStation Store icon. It usually looks like a shopping bag. Select it to enter the store. Once inside the PlayStation Store, look for the menu button. It's typically located at the top of the screen, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it. A sign menu will slide out. Scroll down until you find the Redeem Codes option. Select Redeem Codes. You'll now be presented with a screen prompting you to enter your code. Carefully scratch off the foil on the back of your One4All gift card to reveal the redemption code. Enter the revealed code exactly as it appears, using the on-screen keyboard. Be careful to enter it correctly, paying attention to upper and lowercase letters. Once you've entered the code, select Redeem. A confirmation message will appear, showing the value associated with your One4All gift card being added to your PlayStation wallet. Now you're ready to browse and purchase your favorite games, add-ons, or other digital content with your newly funded PlayStation wallet. Enjoy.